held the tiny skull and saw Kofi's red hair beads still on it. I knew the stories about our prince were true. I come from a small town in West Africa. I won't say the name. We had a chief. A chief is like a village mayor, but with more power and land. His only son was rich and mean, so people called him the prince. His real name was Nana Kwesi, but kids my age called him Black Dog when grown-ups could not hear. My first clear memory of him was on a hunger day. The rain had been bad, the crops failed, the government sent sacks of rice and corn. The food came first to the chief's house, not straight to the poor. We all stood in a long line outside the palace wall. The palace was just a big mud house with a high wall and a metal gate. But in our town, that was like a castle. The old chief was sick, so the prince sat in front on a plastic chair with a long stick. Soldiers from the city stood near him with guns. We children had to sing a stupid praise song he made up. It was not for God, it was for him. Black dog, he gives us food. Black dog, he is so good. We sang while our mothers waited to get food. When my friend Kofi's mother reached the front, the prince checked a list. He said, "It says you have 3 children, but I see only 2. Kofi's baby sister had died the month before. His mother said, "I had 4. I buried one. Please, give me the same share." The prince laughed. "The dead do not eat," he said. "Why should I feed the ground?" Kofi's mother looked him in the eye and said, "One day you will also be in the ground. We will see if you do not count." Everyone went quiet. The prince stood up, walked to her, and slapped her so hard she fell in the dust. Then he turned to us and shouted, "Sing!" So we sang that dirty praise song, crying, while Kofi's mother lay on the ground and held her face. After that, the stories about him grew. He took a girl from the market, and no one could say anything. He killed a boy's goat for fun. He spat on the shrine, and nothing bad happened, so now he fears nothing. The shrine was a small spirit house for our ancestors and local gods. Even adults feared it. He did not. Old women said, "A child like that does not grow old." But he did grow. He went to the city, came back with dark glasses, shiny clothes, and new men with guns. He drove fast through our village in a big truck and laughed when chickens and children ran out of the way. Then Kofi disappeared. It was during another dry season. Kofi and I went to fetch water from the far stream. The path back was narrow. Dust rose around our feet. The prince's truck was waiting in the middle of the path. He sat on the hood, smoking. 2 of his men sat in the back. He saw us and smiled. His smile was never friendly. It was like when a dog shows teeth. "You 2, he said, pointing at us with his cigarette. "Come." We could not run. No one ran when he called. He asked our names.
"What are your names?"
"You are strong boys," he said. "Come do some work for the chief."
"Come do some
It
work."
sounded like an order,
for the
not a
chief.
request. We went. He made Kofi climb in the back of the truck with his men. He told me to sit in front with him. I don't know why. Maybe he liked my big eyes. He joked about them sometimes. I sat between him and the driver. His leg pressed hard against mine. He kept his hand on the back of my neck like I was a chicken he had bought. We drove past my house. My mother saw me through the window and dropped her bowl. I saw her mouth open, but the sound did not reach me. My little sister was on her back. My father was at the farm. He was not there. We reached the palace. Inside the wall it was cooler, darker. There were storage rooms along one side where they kept yam, corn and tools. At the far end was an old shrine house, a tiny temple building. That one was always locked. Children were not allowed near it. The prince told the driver and me to carry sacks from one room to another. He told Kofi to go with his men to The back. That was all. Kofi gave me a small look. It said, "Wait for me." I nodded. I still remember that nod. I carried sacks. They were heavy, but fear made me strong. Every time I passed the window that looked toward the back, I tried to see him. Nothing.